John Kisoke bya mukama akiki akazaha ntebe ya mukuru w'entebe ya katano mu rukyege gw'umwaka gw'2016 konka karura kahwire tikaramugendere kurungi.
Chegegwa is not the way how we found it 2016. Although some politicians are not appreciating, but the reality is that Chegegwa has grown.
Nagira ngo ashemerirwa habwe ntunguke yakoze urumbwiro bwabira chairman ahabwa district ya Chegegwa.
In 2016 I found only 2 constituencies, but today I hand over 3 constituencies, Chaka North, Chaka Central and Chaka South. During my period of tenure, we were able to create one. I was handed over 9 lower local governments, but today I'm handing over 13 lower local governments and 6 town councils, in total 19.
Retired Colonel Alex Bright Nzirimu RDC wa Chegegwa Simire Kisoke aho butagaruka nka independent bwanyuma yo kusingwa ka NRM.
Thank you for being a good guy. When you lost, you choose not to contest. And they want to keep you to remain a good guy. When you are talking, you talk of going back to liberate Chegegwa, but go with a positive mind.
We all remember 2016, I just found a slab here, a foundation. But I'm happy today, I'm handing over a better block in the country.
Omuganda mukuru w'entebe ya katana habwa district ya Hoima Uthman Mubarak Kadir Junior n'abakansara batorinwe barahizibwa habwe enchiro y'2026 okusi 2031.
I, Mugisha Uthman Mubarak, swear
in the name of the Almighty God.
In the name of the Almighty God.
Omukoro gwayebemberwa Chief Magistrate wa Hoima George Kunihira. Bwanyuma yo kurahiza abakansara omuramuzi yayebembera kanso yatora na speaker Magambo Jackson owatungo bururu 20 rukusingo twirare speaker Swaibu Nyanga byachi owatungo bururi 14.
But with the leadership vacuum, sometimes we have not had to connect with these government agencies. At the office of the speaker, I promise that I will not be fully in office, but I will be engaging government agencies to make sure that Hoima is brought back to the level of working together with central government to get specific programs.
Generous Atugonza kansara w'eminyeto yatoranwa kuba omuhwezi wa speaker. Magambo Jackson kuyamara kurahira yayebembera kanso yo kubanza nukwe Uthman okutora n'orukiiko rwa district orukuru ningashi district executive committee.
I want to implore us all to see to it that we foster unity. However much the speaker and the deputy speaker may try as much to foster unity, but if we as leaders don't want unity, they will be writing on water.
Gasha kwa Ferupo Murangira na Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.